Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Yeah. See, no one knows tomorrow. Anything can happen. Once more, yeah, go fit enjoy to sorrow. In such times, we rely on insurance. Charlie, no need to borrow. Make I tell you about this fresh insurance way go be safe tomorrow. You fit do it with Momo. See, make a krawa. Monthly premium as low as 3 CB. Make a krawa. You can do it on your mobile phone. Easy. Make a krawa. Star 778 hash on MTN. Make a krawa. Covers death policy. Accidental death.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. May draw you business here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain. We help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Show me your pain.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives. with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels. Feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Each year, the National Science and Maths Quiz grows in reach, relevance, and influence. In 2025, another milestone has been set as 174 schools prepare to compete in the National Championship the highest number in the competition's history. Among them are 15 first-timers, schools that dared to step into the spotlight of brilliance. The first 8 are Pram Pram SHS, Our Lady of Lourdes Girls SHS, Inglesia Manfru SHS, Atefua SHTS, Akro SHTS, Presby SHS Adeso, Ovenu SHTS, and Mankesim SHTS.
You were on the stage. How are you feeling?
I'm just excited. When I was there, I was a bit nervous, but the competition was getting tougher and tougher. But by the grace of God, we are able to make it.
We are preparing ourselves that we'll be able to pass from the zonal and get to the finals. And the final day will also be there. That is our target.
The other 7 include Agona SHTS, Draboso SHS, Abomusu STEM SHS, Enum Presby SHS, Senya SHS, Salaga TI Amadia SHS, and Nyakrum SHTS.
339.
That's correct.
Each of them come with dreams, determination, and the hunger to make history. The regional championship was a stage of redemption and surprise. Achimota School ended PSEC's 5-year reign of dominance, while Wesley Girls High School rose at last, conquering the boys' schools after half a decade of heartbreak. Together, they stood tall among 8 brilliant champions who raised the bar across the nation. The regional champions are as follows: Ghana Secondary Technical School for the Western Zone, St. James Seminary SHS for the Bono Afu Zone, Wesley Girls High School for the Central Region, Tamale SHS for the Northern Zone, St. Peter's SHS for the Eastern Region, Keta SHTS for the Volta Oti Zone, Opokowari School for the Ashanti Region, and Achimota School for the Greater Accra Region. The girls' schools also made their presence felt, with Wesley Girls High School, Our Lady of Lourdes Girls SHS, Archbishop Porter Girls SHS, and Ebri Girls SHS, to mention just a few, demonstrating intellect, confidence, and resilience, and inspiring audiences across the nation with their outstanding performances.
Addition, polymerization reaction. That is correct.
Beyond the contests, the NSMQ grows to leave a lasting mark in Ghana and beyond. Over the past year, the quiz and its producers, Primetime Limited, have received prestigious recognition. At the 17th Gong Gong Festival of Creativity and Awards in June, Primetime Limited won the inaugural Gong Gong for Good Award alongside the Best Use of PR Techniques Award, underscoring the NSMQ's lasting impact and innovation. In September, at the 36th CIMG Annual National Marketing Performance Awards, the NSMQ in Cape Coast was adjudged the CIMG ATL Campaign of the Year 2024. These honors affirm that the NSMQ is more than just a program. It is a national movement that continues to shape the future of education in Ghana. And what a moment it was in 2024, when for the very first time, the National Championship was hosted in Cape Coast, and Infantipim School, Sons of the Soil, rose to reclaim the national trophy after 10 long years.
And the mistake Primetime made this year was bringing this contest to Cape Coast. This year, we chase on heat.
High on 4.
You're right.
The roar of their homecoming victory echoed across the nation, a powerful reminder of their legendary spirit and the magic of perseverance. For the second year running, the NSMQ returns to Cape Coast, the home of legends, the citadel of champions, and the place where destiny meets determination. Ogwa awaits. Who takes the crown?
Agasco, watch out. The train is coming. Better remember.
Welcome to the 2025 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. We are in the quarterfinals. Congratulations to all the schools that have made it this far. Now, I'm very happy to announce that we have entered the Momo Money Zone. What this means is that at the end of the contest, we will calculate the total scores, and each point earned is worth 10 Ghana cedis to the team. Thank you very much, Momo. Now, today's contest is the second quarterfinal contest, and it features Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, and Ghana Secondary Technical School, also known as GSTS. Before we meet the contestants, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Pay Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansi Travels, Rwandair, Kivo Gari, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. Before we meet the contestants, all right, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Elsie Efa Kaufman. I am an associate professor of biomedical engineering at the University of Ghana. I'm the dean of the School of Engineering Sciences, and this is a primetime production. So where do I continue all over again? Now let's meet the contestants. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School is represented by
Maoli. Cecil Tuglu.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
You're fine, thank you.
Wonderful. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, have you been to the quarterfinals in the past?
No, please.
This is your first time.
Yes, please.
Congratulations. Welcome.
Thank you.
That gives us an opportunity to learn about your school, right? So please tell us, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, if I were choosing a senior high school, why should I choose yours?
Okay, so Our Lady of Grace Senior High School is a private Catholic school that was established in 2013 by the St. Joseph the Worker Parish in collaboration with the Staley's family. For Our Lady of Grace, we have many modern facilities which can help to make the students feel comfortable whilst learning. And the classes are small enough to take both the student and teacher and have effective teaching and student relationship between the teacher and the student. That can help the student to also progress because we are a citadel of excellence.
Oh, that's great. Where are you located again?
Mamponten and Shanti. Mamponting in the Ashanti region.
In the Ashanti region.
Yes,
okay.
please.
You're welcome again, and best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Presbyterian Boys Secondary School is represented by
Jason and Triaji.
Jessica Kelly Afudego.
You're welcome, Presbyterian gentlemen. How are you?
We're fine by God's grace.
All right. I don't know. You have been coming to quarterfinals, but we still would like to hear about your school. What is new at Presbyterian Boys Secondary School?
As in now.
Yes, anything you want us to know about your school. We have an international audience.
Okay, well, recently our old boys built an AI lab for us that helps us to get familiar with how AI and technology works. So it's been one of the developments that happened, I think, last year.
All right. And so you are all learning AI.
Yes, please.
That's wonderful. Thank you for telling us. Best wishes for today.
Thank you.
GSTS is represented by
Hado Marco Osu. Praise God, Solomon Sumadila.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, by the grace of God.
Great. So we need to learn about GSTS. What is happening at GSTS that is of note to our international audience?
Currently, there are a lot of projects ongoing in GSTS. And there is the construction of a triangle which keeps record of Hall of Famers in the school. And this is an example of what is going on.
All right.
And to make known to the world, GSTS was established in 1909 and is the first non-mission school in the country and is the third oldest school in the country, Ghana.
All right. A lot of tradition. Best wishes today.
Thank you.
Contestants, As usual, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is the round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct. I'm expecting simple and direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it gets passed on for a bonus. For a school to attempt for the bonus, they must ring for it. The bonus is worth a point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. All of the questions, all of them, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. For the first set of questions, it will require 10 seconds of your time. It's one of those questions where I move around gathering right answers. So when I come to your school, provide me with a right answer, I'll move on for the next right answer. That means bonus is not applicable this time. I hope that's fine. All right, so this is the question. Please give one, only one, reason why mitochondria are called semi-autonomous organelles. Only one reason. Yes, praise God.
Because they synthesize their own DNA. They synthesize their own DNA.
All right. Kekeli.
Mitochondria can synthesize their own energy. That is, they can produce their own energy.
All right. Our Lady of Grace. Yes, Fayose.
Okay. Mitochondria can undergo binary fission to form, as in a double of its, a mitochondrion can undergo binary fission to form another mitochondrion. Like one mitochondrion can divide to form more than one on its own.
I'll give you 2. Okay. So these were the types of things I was looking for. Yes, they have their own DNA. That's what I got from Gsts. Mitochondria can replicate and divide within the cell independently of the cell's own replication cycle. That was the one you were attempting to give me. So they can replicate, but you should have told me that independent of the rest of what the cell was doing. So it wasn't a complete answer, right? Okay. And then we have it contains its own proteins, which are responsible for its many structural and functional activities. They have their own genome responsible for coding. And yes, from Presbyterian boys, they have the ability to produce energy. Okay, in the form of ATP, which they use by their own as well as other organelles. All right. Next set, 30 seconds, and I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the equation in the form y is equal to a multiplying the expression x minus k, this expression squared, plus h of the quadratic curve with, one more time. Find the equation in the form y is equal to a multiplying the expression x minus k, this expression squared, plus h of the quadratic curve with, all right, so Gsts, vertex at the point with coordinates 2, 4, and y-intercept 12. Yes, praise God.
So y is equal to 4 over 3, multiplying an expression squared. The expression is x minus 2. That minus 64 on 3.
I'm not accepting it. All right. Yes, Jason.
Y is equal to 2, multiplying the expression x minus 2. This expression squared, all this plus 4.
Yes. With the same preamble, your major question. It has a vertex at the point with coordinates -3, -12, and y-intercept 15. Jason?
Y is equal to 3, multiplying the expression x plus 3. This expression squared, all this minus 12.
Yes. Our Lady of Grace with the same preamble. It has a vertex at the point with coordinates -2, 12, and y-intercept -16. Yes, Fayose.
Y equals -7, multiplying the expression in brackets x plus 2. This bracket squared plus 12.
You are right. Yes. When calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. If 89.6 centimeter cubed of carbon dioxide gas is collected at STP, what is the mass of calcium oxide produced from this decomposition? Kadir.
22.4 centigrams.
Okay. Strange units. Convert that to milligram for me.
124 milligram.
So why the centigram? All right. Presbyterian boys, if 336 centimeter cubed of carbon dioxide is collected at STP, following the complete combustion of methane in oxygen, what mass of methane was burned? Yes, Kekeli.
240 milligrams.
All right. Our Lady of Grace, when ammonium nitrate decomposes on heating, it produces dinitrogen monoxide and water. If 448 centimeter cubed of N2O is collected at STP, what mass of NH4NO3 decomposed?
How many seconds?
Yes, Fayose.
0.160 grams.
That's incorrect. Yes.
1.60 grams.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. A particle of mass 2m and speed u collides with a stationary particle of mass m. The oncoming particle continues with speed v after the collision. Find the loss in total kinetic energy given that, did you get the preamble? One more time. A particle of mass 2m and speed u collides with a stationary particle of mass m. The oncoming particle continues with speed v after the collision. Find the loss in kinetic energy given that, now GSTS. M is equal to 0.40 kilogram, U is equal to 2.5 meter per second, and V is equal to 1.5 meter per second. Yes, Hadir.
The kinetic energy lost is 0.83 joules.
That's incorrect. Yes, Fayose.
0.10 joule.
No. I will give you the answer later. All right. With the same preamble, Presbyterian boys, M is equal to 0.60 kilogram, U is equal to 4.5 meter per second, and V is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Is that hand up, Kekeli? Jason.
Okay. The loss in kinetic energy is equal to 12 joules.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Okay, I'll tell you in a moment. With the same preamble, Our Lady of Grace, M is equal to 0.30 kilogram, U is equal to 4.0 meter per second, and V is equal to 2.0 meter per second. Fayose.
1.2 joule.
You're right. So GSTS, your answer was 0.80 joules. Presbyterian boys, yours was 3.6 joules. Next set, you can do this one in 10 seconds. And I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. With respect to respiration, indicate the term to which the given description refers. That means when I get to you, I will give you a description. And with respect to respiration, indicates the term, the technical term to which the description I give you refers. Okay. So, GSTS. Gaseous exchange between blood and metabolizing tissues. Praise God.
We have it to be cellular respiration.
No. for a bonus. All right, I'll come back. Presbyterian boys with the same preamble. The portion of inspired air that does not reach the alveoli of the lungs for gaseous exchange. Jason?
The residual volume.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Okay, I'll come back. Our Lady of Grace with the same preamble. An increase in the rate or depth of breathing that leads to excessive alveolar ventilation and a decrease in CO2 levels. Say.
We have tidal capacity.
No, that's incorrect. Yes.
Hyperventilation.
Pardon?
Hyperventilation.
You're right. Okay, so now your major question. The answer to that was internal respiration. Internal respiration. And for you Presbyterian boys, it's dead space ventilation. Dead space ventilation. All right. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Solve the trigonometric equation for any one value of x in the interval 0 less than x less than pi over 2. I hope you got your preamble. All right. So GSTS, sine of 2x is equal to root 3 over 2. Yes, Hadir.
X is equal to pi on 6 radian.
Okay. Presbyterian boys with the same preamble. Tangent of 2x is equal to -1. Yes, Kekeli.
X equals 3 pi over 8 radians.
You are right. Our Lady of Grace with the same preamble. Cosine of 2x is equal to -1 over 2. Yes, Fayose.
X equals pi over 3 radians.
That's incorrect. Yes, Hadir.
X equals 2 pi on 3 radians.
No. Okay. So the right answer is pi over 3. Okay. X is equal to pi over 3. Okay. For yours, there was another option. There were 2 possible answers. That pi on 3 was also another possible option. But you gave me pi on 6, which is right. Okay, next set. You have 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Based on the IUPAC rules, the given name is incorrect. Provide the systematic name. Did you get the preamble? Okay. Yes. 2-methyl 4-chlorocyclohexane. Yes, praise God.
We have 1-chloro, 3-methyl cyclohexane.
You're right. With the same preamble. 4-propyl 6-ethyl cyclohexane. Yes, Jason.
You start with the ethyl. Okay. It is 1-ethyl 3-propyl cyclohexane.
Okay. With the same preamble, Our Lady of Grace, 3-butyl 4-fluoro cyclohexane. Yes, Fayose.
1-fluoro 2-butyl cyclohexane.
That's incorrect. Yes.
2-butyl 1-fluoro cyclohexane.
No. The right answer is 1-butyl 2-fluoro cyclohexane. All right. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density at the center of a current loop of given radius A and given current I. Did you get your preamble? Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density at the center of a current loop of given radius A and given current I. Gsts. A is equal to 25 centimeters and I is equal to 4.0 amperes. Yes, Hadir.
You have 1.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of -5 Tesla.
You're right. With the same preamble, A is equal to 12 centimeters and I is equal to 5.0 amperes. Kekeli.
2.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of -5 Tesla.
All right. With the same preamble, A is equal to 16 centimeters and I is equal to 8.0 amperes. Yes, Fayose.
31 microtesla.
Okay. And that's the end of the first round. emitting sound isotropically. Yes, Kekeli.
1.3 watts per meter square.
You're right. The mass of an object moving along the x-axis changes at a constant rate of negative 0.4 kilogram per second. Find the net force on the object at the instant its mass is 2 kilogram and its velocity is 5 meter per second and its acceleration is 3 meter per second squared. File say.
4 Newton.
You're right. What is the resistance of a color-coded resistor marked with 3 red bands? Yes, Hadir.
2.2 kilo ohms.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds each. A weighing container has a mass of 20.56 grams when empty and 20.80 grams when filled with water at 4 degrees Celsius. After being dried, the same container is filled with a solution at the same temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and has a mass of 20.92 grams. Calculate the density. Yes,
1.5 gram per centimeter cube.
You're right. A saturated solution of a sparingly soluble metal hydroxide with the formula M, open bracket, OH, close bracket, subscript 2, has mass concentration of 4.95 milligram per decimeter cubed. Calculate the pH of the solution. Atomic mass 4M is 65.0. Yes, file say.
10.0.
Yes. How many grams of CuSO4.5H2O are in 0.500? Yes, praise God.
125 grams.
That's incorrect. I'm continuing. 0.500 decimeter cubed of a 0.400. Yes, Kekeli.
1.00 by 10 raised to an exponent of 2 grams. That's okay.
That's incorrect. I continue. Of a 0.400 mole per decimeter cube solution, atomic mass for copper is 63.5. Yes, Fayose.
49.9 grams.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds. 30 seconds each. A is equal to the set of X, which is a member of N, such that X multiplying Y is equal to 18 for some Y, which is also a member of N, where N is the set of natural numbers. List the elements. Yes, Kekeli.
The elements of N are the set such that 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18.
I'm not accepting it. Okay, I asked you to list the elements. You started with the set. You were giving me a set instead of the elements. The elements are simply 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Next one. A sequence is defined by the recurrence relation. U, subscript of the expression n plus 1, is equal to 3 multiplying U subscript n minus 6. If U subscript n is equal to U subscript 1, for all n greater than or equal to 1, find the value of U subscript 1.
U
Yes,
subscript 1 equals 3.
You're right. Next one. Find the sine of the angle between the vectors. A is equal to 3I plus j, and b equals I minus 2j. Yes, Fayose.
A fraction with numerator 7 and denominator 10.
That's incorrect. Okay, you rang. Go ahead, Hadir.
It is a fraction with a numerator of 7.
The bell has gone. Did you ring? Okay, carry on.
7 root 2 over 10.
Yes. Last set of questions, 10 seconds each. Name the type of mutation that occurs in a DNA molecule when a sequence change gives rise to a stop
Frame shift mutation.
That's incorrect.
Mutation. Nonsense mutation.
Yes. Next one. What is the most common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular? Yes.
Binary fission. Binary fission.
No. In unicellular yeast. Yes, Jason.
Budding.
You're right. Last one for the round. Last question for the round. Name the tiny depression in the center of the macula of the mammalian eye that is responsible. Yes, Fayose.
Fovea centralis.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round. Before I announce the scores, there was a protest from Presbyterian boys. This had to do with the speed race question for mathematics, the first one, the very first one. This was the question. A, the set A is equal to, and it's a set of X which is a member of N, such that X multiplying Y is equal to 18 for some Y which is also an element or a member of N, where N is a set of natural numbers. List the elements of A. That was it. Very simple, very direct. And remember, this is a speed race question. And so you are not to embellish your answer with all kinds of preambles. Right? You go straight to the point. You are asked to list, you list. You don't start by saying it's a set with elements. I did not ask for a set. Okay? So the answer, and I repeat, is a list of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. No embellishment, no preambles, no problem of the day. Give your answers unambiguously. All right? Okay, so your protest is not upheld. All right. At the end of the second round, the scores are GSTS, 18 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, 21 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, 24 points. Round 3. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star is awarded to any school that earns a perfect score of 10 points in the round. A star at this stage is worth 2,800 Ghana cedis to the team. That is 700 Ghana cedis each to the 3 contestants and their teacher. Thank you very much, Prudential Life Insurance, for the NSMQ Star. Okay, so the round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you will have 4 minutes to present a single answer from your school on the boards behind you. As mentioned, the problem of the day is worth 10 points. Best wishes. Now, contestants, you may stand. Okay, kindly retrieve the problems of the day and let's read. We are only reading. Make sure you have dropped all pens. Problem of the day. Borehole water from a community in Ghana is found to be highly acidic and contains iron 3 plus ions at a concentration of 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -8 mole per decimeter cubed. To improve its potability, the water is treated with calcium hydroxide to lower its acidity until the pH reaches 10.0. Given that the solubility product of iron 3 hydroxide is 4.0 times 10 raised to the power -38, will iron 3 hydroxide precipitate under these conditions? If so, how many milligrams will precipitate from 1.0 decimeter cubed of the groundwater? Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and resume your seat. Okay. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the points, let's consider the suggested solution from the consultants. This is a problem from chemistry. So we have been given that there's a borehole in a community that has water, which is highly acidic and contains iron 3+ ions at a concentration of 1.0 times 10 to the power -8 mole per decimeter cubed. The idea is to improve its potability, and so the water is treated with calcium hydroxide to lower the acidity until the pH reaches 10.0. Then we're given that the solubility product of iron 3 hydroxide is 4.0 times 10 to the power -38. And the first question was, will iron 3 hydroxide precipitate under these conditions? Let's see how that goes. Okay, in order to be able to do this, first we need to find the pOH, right? So the pOH is 14.0 minus the 10.0 that we've been given, and this gives 4.0. So from there, we can obtain the concentration of OH minus. The concentration of OH minus is going to be 10 to the power -4.0, and this is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power -4 mole per decimeter cubed. If you don't give me units, really, I don't know what you are talking about. Okay, we continue from here. If you get this far, 2 points. From the equilibrium reaction, and we can write a reaction here, FeOH3 going reversibly to Fe3 plus 3OH minus. Or if you like, can write the reverse reaction. Anyway, from this, you can calculate what we call a reaction quotient. The reaction quotient Q is given by the concentration of Fe3 plus multiplying the concentration of OH minus, this raised to the power 3, because we are using that balanced equation that we had. If you do this calculation, you will get the reaction quotient to be 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -8, multiplying 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -4 cubed. And this gives 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -20. After you receive this quotient, next is to compare to the solubility product, which has been given for iron 3 hydroxide, right? That is 4.0 times 10 to the power -38. So you see immediately that this quotient we have calculated is greater than the solubility product. And because of this relationship, yes, precipitation will occur. All right, for calculating the reaction quotient correctly, 2 points. And then for making that conclusion that precipitation will occur, 1 point. Now, since we know that it will occur, we can continue our questioning. The second part is, if precipitation will occur, how many milligrams will precipitate from a 1.0 decimeter cubed sample of the groundwater? Okay, so here we take the concentration of iron 3 plus at equilibrium to be equal to the KSP, which was given, divided by OH minus raised to the power 3, the concentration of OH minus raised to the power 3. We substitute values that we have already calculated, and we will get 4.0 times 10 to the power -26 mole per decimeter cubed. At equilibrium, and this part is very, very important, at equilibrium, only 4.0 times 10 to the power -26 mole per decimeter cubed of Fe3 plus can be present in solution. This is a very negligible amount. I hope you agree. Okay? So, in fact, all the ions must precipitate out of solution. If you are able to make this link, 3 points. Then we proceed. The molar mass of FeOH3 is 107 grams per mole. So the mass precipitated is 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 8, which we calculated somewhere before. It was actually given, that part was given to us. Multiplying 1.0, multiplying 107, multiplying the 1,000, the sample, right? And this gives 1.07 times 10 to the power negative 3 milligram. Oh, no. Yes, 1.07 times 10 to the power negative 3 milligram. Then to fulfill all righteousness, because the significant figure matters. So we now will round this off to 1.1 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 milligrams. 2 points. Giving a total of 10 points. Okay, now contestants. Our Lady of Grace, you started calculating something. I, in fact, don't understand what you are calculating. And so you were not even able to tell us whether precipitation will occur or not. And so, unfortunately, I can't give you anything. You have 0. Presbyterian boys. Yes, you started well. You calculated the POH. Then you launched into a calculation of some KSP of sorts, right? Unfortunately, it doesn't look recognizable to me what it is you are calculating. However, you were able to make some statements about the precipitation. You say precipitation will occur based on whatever it is you calculated. Okay, I'll give you the 1 point for that. I'm giving you the 2 point. The 2 points earlier on for the calculation of the POH, and then resulting in the calculation of the concentration of OH minus. So 2 and that. The rest of it, yes, you try to set something up. To be honest, I am not going to accept what you have there. All right? That assumption that you need, that realization that at equilibrium you only have 4.10 raised to the power negative 26 mole per decimeter cubed of Fe3 plus. And so this is a negligible amount. I didn't see you making those conclusions there. There was nothing like that. And so basically, that is what you have. You have 3 out of 10. Do you have a mass of 1.1 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 milligram?
Yes, please.
I will come and take another look. Okay. In the meantime, yes, you calculated for POH, and then you wound up with a value for OH minus, but there is no unit. Right? So I can't give you the full 2 points for this. I'm giving you 1. Okay. Then you also do some things, but you decide that, yes, precipitation will occur. You get 1 point for that. And that gives you 2, because the rest of it I'm not accepting. Okay, so you have 2 out of 10. Give me a moment to check what the Presbyterian boys are telling me about their calculation.
It's here.
Where are your assumptions?
1.0 times power negative 3 moles.
There are no assumptions. You just jump to that. The best I can do is maybe add 1 point for a final answer. All right, so for the Presbyterian boys, for the final answer, I'll add 1 point, giving them 4 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You need to do business here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me to pay. Hope you make the most of your money. Needs and fires to pay. Show me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Before we proceed, there are two petitions that I need to address, both from Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. It appears they needed us to cool off a bit. All right. I really, really do hope that when the answer to the problem of the day is being given, people will pay due attention to the things that we find of value in the problem of the day. Not just the final answer. The final answer sometimes is worth almost nothing. It is the process that you follow, the logical deductions that you make along the way. That is the beauty of a problem of the day like this. Unfortunately, people are looking for interesting things in strange places. Let's see. So, first one is, which one should I even begin with? Interesting stuff. The first one is a concern about somebody else's solution to problem of the day. They are concerned about GSTS. That GSTS provided concentration of Fe2 plus initially instead of Fe3 plus. Please, did you hear me awarding marks for concentration of Fe of any sort? The focus was on OH minus concentration, which you needed to proceed to calculate the quotient, make your beautiful assumption, and then decide whether, precipitation takes place or not. Beautiful stuff. I was not awarding any mark for concentration of Fe any sort. I did, they mentioned that, I should take a look again, a value without units. Of course, I penalized them. Did you not hear me penalizing them for not having units? And so, unfortunately, Presbyterian boys, this one is not going anywhere. Not upheld. Then there was this one concerning the comparison. QSP and KSP is used, but in this particular situation, OH minus is what? Constant. Fe3 plus concentration can be used, which the boys did, so deserve. That is your opinion. That is your opinion. Please, you were to go through the deductions, the beautiful logic. What concentration was actually necessary? Which things were negligible? You look at the values and make those points before you go ahead and calculate. In fact, I was being very generous to Presbyterian boys. I don't want to give them the mark for the last final points without going through the logic. Shall I take it back? Shall I take it back? No. I am very generous, so I gave them the last point, the final answer I gave them. Please, this petition is not upheld. Thank you very much. You may collect these and then I will invite the substitution. Before we begin the next round, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School would like to effect a substitution. Kekeli, it's been a pleasure. All the best to you. In comes John. You are welcome. round 4. This is the Jupe true or false round. It is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. At stake in the round is the Jupe Money Transfer $20 promo. During the season of National Science and Math Quiz, whenever alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, Jupe rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. So alumni are encouraged to check the NSMQ social media pages for their school's promo codes. Thank you so much, Jupe. All right, so round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider it very carefully and let me know whether the statement is true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement is available to the 2 remaining schools to ring. A school that rings and answers correctly gets 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, there is that penalty point. Every once in a while, we will have a statement that requires calculation. When that situation arises, I will let you know so that you have 30 seconds instead of the usual 10 seconds to present your answer to the statement. Best wishes, everyone. First set of statements comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. In the hierarchy of classification, that's the preamble. In the hierarchy of classification, yes, a genus is larger than a species. Yes, praise God.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble, genus falls between species and family. Yes, John.
True.
You're right. A genus can further be divided into different species, but a species cannot be divided into subspecies. Cecil.
False.
You're right. Next set also comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. If the pressure of a gas triples while temperature and number of moles remain constant, did you get your preamble? All right. Yes. The volume of gas will be reduced to 1/3 of the original value. Praise God.
True.
You're right. The density of the gas will remain unchanged.
False, right?
John.
False.
Yes. The frequency of collisions of the gas molecules increases. Cecil.
True.
You are right. Next set comes with another preamble. Preamble to all schools. Point charge Q is located at the center of a neutral conducting spherical shell of inner radius A and outer radius B. Take the origin at the center of the shell and let R be the radial coordinate of a field point. One more time. Point charge Q is located at the center of a neutral conducting spherical shell of inner radius A and outer radius B. Take the origin at the center of the shell and let R be the radial coordinate of a field point. Now, Gsts. The electric field vanishes at points for which R is less than A. Yes, praise God.
False.
You're right. With the same preamble. The total charge on the surface at R equals A is negative Q. John?
False.
No, it's a true statement. With the same preamble, the electric field vanishes at points for which R is greater than A. Cecil?
False.
You're right. Yes. Addition is closed on the set of integers, but not on the set of natural numbers. Praise God.
False.
You're right. Division is closed on the set of non-zero rational numbers, but not on the set of irrational numbers. John?
True.
You're right. Multiplication is closed on the set of integers, but not on the set of natural numbers. Cecil?
False.
You're right. A short preamble to all schools. Preamble. In nitrification. That's all. Yes. The substrate or the starting compound of the process is nitrate. Praise God.
False.
You're right. Ammonia is oxidized to nitrate, followed by the oxidation of nitrate to nitrite. John?
False.
You're right. The process occurs effectively between 60 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius. Cecil?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Yes. Benzene is planar with each carbon atom bonded to 2 carbons and 2 hydrogens. Praise God.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Benzene has alternating single and double bonds with alternating bonds of different lengths. John?
False.
You're right. Due to aromatic stability, benzene readily resists substitution reactions. As such reactions disrupt its conjugate pi system. Cecil?
True.
No. That's a false statement. Next set, preamble to all schools. Preamble. In a critically damped oscillator. That's the preamble. In a critically damped oscillator. Yes. Oscillations decay gradually in amplitude.
True.
Yes, praise God.
True.
That's a false statement. Oscillation frequency decays gradually. John?
False.
You're right. No oscillation occurs whatsoever. Cecil?
False.
Oh. It's a true statement. That's why they had a problem, right? Because no oscillations are taking place. It's critically damped, straight down. Okay. Last set of statements for the round comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. P is a real number. That's all. P is a real number. Now, GSTS. The limit as x approaches P of secant of x is equal to secant of P. Praise God.
False.
You're right. With the same preamble. Limit as x approaches P of the tangent of x is equal to tangent of P. John?
True.
Oh no. That's a false statement. Last statement, Our Lady of Grace, with the same preamble. Limit as x approaches P of sine of x is equal to sine of P. Cecil?
True.
Yes. And the reason is we are looking at continuous and non-continuous functions, right? So secant is not continuous. Tangent, certainly not continuous. That's where you had your problem. But the sine function is continuous. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School has 28 points. GSTS has 30 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 38 points. Round 5. In this round, we have the Goil Super Bonanza. All right. So in this round, we are solving riddles. All right. So in this round, we are solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. When you are ready to solve the riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, GSTS? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. Best wishes, everyone. There are 4 of them. First riddle. I am a naturally occurring organic compound found inside the mitochondria of cells. I play a central role as a metabolic intermediate. My continuous involvement in cellular reactions is important for overall biological function. I have several important applications in the field of nutrition and supplementation. As a dietary supplement, I am often used to enhance athletic performance and promote overall well-being. One of my primary functions is my involvement in the citric acid. Yes, Cecil?
Niacin.
That's incorrect. In the citric acid cycle, which is responsible for the production of adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP. Yes, which of you? Jason, go ahead.
Pyruvic acid.
That's incorrect. So who am I? Praise God.
Pyruvate.
No. Anyone? I see a hand up over there. Pardon? How? I can't hear you. All right. The right answer is oxaloacetic acid or oxaloacetate, not pyruvate. All right, next one. I am an inorganic substance used in food, detergent, and fertilizer industries. I do not dissociate completely in aqueous solution. I give a tangy taste in sodas, although I don't fizz. I am a weak acid, but highly corrosive. I am triprotic and have formula. Yes, praise God.
Phosphoric acid.
Pardon?
Phosphoric acid.
You are right. I was reading the fifth clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a rigid body transformation. I preserve distance and angular measure. In the plane, I am characterized by a point or a line. In space, I am characterized by a plane. Yes, praise God.
Reflection.
You are right. was the fourth clue, 3 points. Last one. Last one. I am a specific quantity of matter. I am nuclear. I mark the boundary between growth and decay. I am the minimum.
Critical mass.
You are right. I need information. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansa Travels, Rwanda, Kivo Gari, Spin City, Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. Of course, this has been a primetime production. Well, at the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School has 28 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 38 points. GSTS has 39 points. Now, Our Lady of Grace, thank you for being here. For your first time, you did really well. I encourage you to keep working hard. Best wishes to you. You are not going empty-handed. Because we are in the money zone, you have earned 280 Ghana cedis. Best wishes. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Unfortunately, this is the end of the road for 2025. Thank you for giving us a good contest. Well, you are not leaving empty-handed. In the money zone, you earned 380 Ghana cedis. Thank you. And best wishes to you. GSTS. Congratulations on winning the contest. Because you solved 3 out of the 4 riddles, you are taking away 1,600 Ghana cedis. In addition to that, you have earned 390 Ghana cedis in the money zone. But what is even more exciting, in my opinion, is that you have booked an appointment with me for the semifinals. I look forward to seeing you. Congratulations once again. Now, if your score remains the highest for the day, you will also win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 3,000 Ghana cedis. Well, viewers, thank you so much for joining us for this contest. We are still in the quarterfinals. Next time, we will bring you Adisadel College, Prempe College, and our reigning champions, Infant Sipim School. You don't want to miss it. Make it a point to join us. Thank you for joining us and see you next time. Bye.
Hello, hello. Hello, please kindly make your way out of the auditorium.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Radar received now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before. There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent? We used to, but I'll try the new one. Ah, that's why. But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection? Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent? Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Tomorrow. Anything can happen once more. Yeah, we go fit and enjoy to sorrow. In such times, we rely on insurance. Charlie, no need to borrow. Make I tell you about this fresh insurance way. Go fit save tomorrow. You fit do it with Momo. See, make a krawa. Monthly premium as low as 3 CD. Make a krawa. You can do it on your mobile phone. Easy. Make a krawa. Star 778 hash on MTN. Make a krawa. Covers death policy. Accidental death.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Draw me to pay. Hope you make the most of your money. Needs and fire to pay. Draw me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. At Dancer Travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.